We'll guide you through how to download and install Instagram on your PC or laptop. It's super useful to be able to go and do this, so make sure you consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, come to the bottom and you need to go and click on the search icon on your computer. And then you need to go and type in Microsoft Store, like so. It should go and suggest it. Then what you want to do is go to the top and click on search and go and type in Instagram, just like so. Now go and take a moment to load, and here it is. We can go and click on it and then head to the top right and we can go and click on the get button. Now, if you aren't already, you'll be asked to go and sign into a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, at the bottom, click on use a different account and press continue, and it will take a moment and you'll be taken to a login page and you can go and create one here if you don't have one, or you can sign in. After you've got and signed into an account, it will then go and start downloading. And all you need to do is wait. After it's finished downloading, it will then go and say open, and you can go and open it up. You'll go and get this pop-up, and then what you can do is choose if you want a desktop shortcut and these other points here as well. And then you can go and choose if you want to allow all cookies or decline the optional ones, and then we can sign in. And now here we are on Instagram. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.